Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and this video is very different. Apologies for rush hour behind us, but everyone seems to come into this co-op all at the same time. We're doing something very different today. We're with a tour guide. We're with who?
Green Laning Lennie.
Green Laning Lennie.
Nearly got tongue-tied then.
You might be able to see in the background his massive truck,
somewhere around there,
vehicle, whatever you want to call it. But today we're in the Cotswolds. We've never done the Cotswolds before, have we?
We haven't.
No.
Not off-road anyway.
So today's hopefully going to be some nice scenic lanes. Brought the Yeti out again.
We have.
So hopefully this should be perfect for the Yeti, right?
Fingers crossed.
So come along with us. Let's see. We have no idea what's going to happen today. We're at the mercy of Green Laning Lennie.
Yep.
So let's see what happens.
Don't worry about me, I'll be alright.
Yeah, you're okay. See, why did we just do that the first time? So that was the Cotswold trip with Green Laning Lennie.
Yep.
That was a fantastic day,
It was a
wasn't
really good trip. That 100% proves that there's more to Green Laning than your hardcore, really off-road, complicated, pick your lines and all of that stuff. That was literally proper Green Laning, I think you could call it. You know, just out in the countryside, enjoying the sights, sounds, smells with other people that enjoy doing the same thing.
Yeah, and other than that little bit of water bit, which I'm sure you would have seen, other than that, it just goes to show that Josh was more than happy, get his waffle boards out again, get your waffle boards out, and kind of help us out. But in the end, we didn't need them because that was a shallower bit.
Yeah.
But absolutely fantastic lanes, lovely day.
Yes.
Lovely sights. You wouldn't have seen half the sights because I was picking up the GoPro too late. Yeah. But trust me, some of the sights around here,
beautiful,
stunning. Really good way to spend half a Saturday just over.
Very much so.
So I'll leave all the links down below to Green Laning Lennie.
Yeah, definitely. If you want to get out Green Laning, but you want to go out with a tour guide because you're not sure of picking like the right lanes or whatever, definitely check out Green Laning Lennie's page. He'll go absolutely anywhere pretty much you could imagine. In the UK and not in the UK as well. And he also does personalised trips for different people as well. If you want to go on a trip that he doesn't have on his website, or a trip that he has on his website, but the date might not suit you. give him a message. He'll obviously do his best to sort you out or help you out.
Just drop him a line.
That was a bit waffly, but you know what I mean.
He's on Facebook, he has website, he has YouTube, which he never really uses. Every now and again.
Still waiting for his Morocco video.
Exactly.
Wink, wink.
But yeah, hope you've enjoyed this video. We certainly have.
We
really have. Do all the fun stuff, like, comment, subscribe, all the things down below, and we'll catch you in the next video, won't we? Right. Goodbye, everyone. Bye. Bye.